Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sydejia, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how I got these large waist length box braids. So the products I'll be using are the Jam Moisture and Shine Gel, the Murray's Edge Wax, and some elastic bands and not rubber bands. I used about 6 packs of Kanekalon braiding hair. So I'm just starting off by parting my hair into smaller sections, making my parts as neat as possible, and then I'll just tie these parted sections off with the elastic band. And by doing this first, you'll know how many pieces of hair to separate, and you'll be less likely to run out of hair. And to make sure that my parts stay neat, I take the Murray's Edge Control and my edge toothbrush, and I just brush it down. And yeah, as y'all can see, I was very much over it. This took me forever, only because it was my first time. So now y'all are gonna see me take 2 pieces of the braiding hair and make a loop, and then to start the braid, I just wrap the loop around my real hair, and I make sure I wrap the hair on top of the rubber band and just braid my hair along with the braiding hair, making sure that I separate the pieces of hair evenly so that all 3 strands of hair are the same size. And as I'm braiding the hair down, I'm taking the jam on my fingers and just smoothing that down the hair to prevent frizzy pieces of hair from poking out of the braid. So I just braid the hair all the way down to the ends, and once I was done my whole head, I boiled some hot water and dipped the ends of the braids, and yeah, then I was all done. So this concludes this tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. It's just super easy, completely beginner friendly, and I have more beginner friendly tutorials coming. So if you guys like it, give it a thumbs up, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.